Hi guys, Gerald Robertson here from Ladder Warehouse. We're going to talk to you today about a new standard sweeping the industry, a British standard BSEN131 Part 7 for mobile ladders with a platform, or mobile safety ladders as they're commonly known. Here we see an image of a typical sort of 7-tread unit as they would be used in warehouses. We've summarised the standard into 5 key areas: the scope, the specification, the stability, strength and support the British standard are looking to specify. The scope, essentially mobile ladders with a platform with a maximum platform height up to 5 metres are covered by this standard, and that's what we mean by the platform height, where your feet would be when stood on top of the platforms. The working platform area needs to be a minimum of 0.4 by 0.4 square or a maximum of 1 metre by 1 metre square. So when we mean the working platform, we're talking about the platform at the top of the stairs in which the operator will be stood performing their task. The specification and design areas are essentially related to toe boards, the working platform area, the handrail locations, and then the ascending tread spacings. So toe boards, they need to be a minimum of 50 mm high and border 3 sides of the working platform. The working platform area, as said before, 0.4 by 0.4 with a 0.95 high handrail is the minimum, an 1100 high handrail with a metre squared is the maximum. So that covers the overall space on there with the handrails of support. So the locations: the lowest grab point for a handrail is a maximum of a metre from the ground. They pass multiple strength and deflection tests and comply to the following dimensions: a maximum of 1100 high, a minimum of 950. You can't let a sphere of 470 go through any areas. After the first tread, the ascending tread is a minimum of 150 from the floor. There must be then constant pitch of 200 to 250, and there we see the illustration of that. So the first tread 150 and then a constant pitch going forward. The stability of the ladders are also tested to the standard and show such key areas as the pull test to show that the unit would not overturn with a pull of 750 newtons at an unfavourable position, as we see there, pulling them across, and there's been some side stabilizers added to this product just to ensure that that side pull doesn't happen. Just a key thing to note is that the standard products will be narrower than the British standards, just purely and simply because of the need to resist the side pull from there. The strength of the ladders are also assessed quite clearly with certain tests conducted to attribute the certification. So all units must sustain a maximum 150 kg load with no deflection in the axle or the treads. The spring-loaded caster models are tested with a 200 kg, and here we see how the loads are applied to the ladders, especially there with the spring-loaded, so moving up the ladders to make sure the casters operate correctly when under load. And there you see an example of the kind of spring-loaded caster. The support, so all markings and user instructions must comply with the standard and pass a durability test, so ensure that operators are fully informed. So here we see an example which is durable, visible and easy to follow, and then fitted to the ladder, thus ensuring that any operator is able to follow it. So to summarise, the standard is there for your safety to ensure your ladders meet the best industry practice. Part 7 of the standard only deals with mobile safety steps. Without the kite mark, as shown here, the ladders are not certified. So the presence of the certificate shows that the ladders comply with the best practice in the industry. We at the Ladder Warehouse are always available to talk to you and answer any questions. Please click on our website as seen below. Many thanks for your time and listening to this recording, and I hope it's been useful.